Today, we will talk about the expected loss ratio (ELR) method. The expected loss ratio method is a technique used to determine the projected amount of claims relative to earned premiums. This method is used when an insurer lacks appropriate past claims occurrence data due to changes in its product offerings and when it doesn't have a large enough sample of data for long-tail product lines. The formula to calculate the expected loss ratio method is ELR method equals earned premiums * expected loss ratio, paid losses. To calculate the expected loss ratio method, multiply earned premiums by the expected loss ratio and then subtract paid losses. The expected loss ratio is used by insurers to determine the portion of premiums they should set aside to pay for future claims. It helps them understand how much to allocate for claims and the role that frequency and severity of expected claims plays. For example, if an insurer has earned premiums of $10 million and an expected loss ratio of 0.60, with paid losses of $750,000 and cash reserves of $900,000, the total reserve would be $5,250,000 and the IBNR reserve would be $4,350,000. Both the ELR and the chain ladder method measure claim reserves. While the ELR is used with little past data, the CLM is used for stable businesses and business lines. The ELR method is limited by the amount and quality of available data and the lack of sensitivity to changes in reported and paid losses, which can make it less accurate and thus, less useful in later stages of forecasting. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Expected loss ratio, ELR, method is used to determine the projected amount of claims relative to earned premiums. 2. Insurers set aside a portion of their premiums from underwriting new policies to pay for future claims. The expected loss ratio determines the portion to set aside. 3. ELR is used for businesses or business lines that lack past data, while the chain ladder method is used for stable businesses. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.